Hey everyone, and welcome back to Anderson Kia. Today I'll be showing off a 2019 Kia Sedona SX Plus in Aurora Black. Starting at the front here, this vehicle comes with automatic projection headlights, bar-type LED positioning lights, and fog lights, as well as a stylish front grille. Moving on, we have 18-inch machined finish alloy wheels with 4-wheel ABS disc brakes. This model also includes power-heated folding side view mirrors with signal repeaters, privacy tint glass, keyless entry, and remote power sliding doors. Some of the safety features with this vehicle include vehicle stability management, hill assist control and impact sensing door unlock, as well as rear parking sensors, blind spot detection, and rear cross traffic alert. And looking toward the rear now, the Sedona comes with smart power liftgate technology, rear chrome garnish, as well as LED LIghtbar Taillights, and a sunroof. Moving on inside, we have a gorgeous leather interior with heated second row slide and stow seats and third row folding and sinking seats with both second and third row sunshine blinds. Looking toward the front now, this model comes equipped with an 8-way power driver's seat with 4-way lumbar support and driver memory seating, as well as heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. This vehicle also includes steering wheel mounted audio and cruise controls, a cooling glove box, as well as a wireless charging pad, and tri-zone automatic climate control with an auto defog system. Some other great features include Bluetooth wireless technology, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, both auxiliary and USB input ports, and a rear-view camera on a 7-inch display. Heading under the hood now, we have a 3.3-liter GDI V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. For more information, you can contact us here.